Now, yeah, from today onwards, we start with the handling unit management. Handling unit management. First of all, what is mean by a handling unit? What is mean by a handling unit? Handling unit is nothing but a packaging material plus product with an unique identification number. Unique identification number. Packaging material plus product with an unique identification number is calling as a handling unit. If we see in the images, one sec, here, not here. This is in this number is not. Say, okay, one sec. Yeah, this is one of the palette here. If we see some unique identification number is there, this is nothing but a handling unit. This is a packaging material. We keep the products on top of that. That is handling unit. Okay, see here. This is one of the handling unit. This is one of the handling unit. Say here, this is the handling unit number, and within this, some item code is there, item number, product number, and etc. are there. Handling unit. Here we are observing some packaging material palette, and apart from that, we have cotton boxes also we can see. Say here. This is also one kind of the handling unit. Okay, cotton box. Here packaging material is cotton box. Here 12561398 is the handling unit number. Okay, like this. Loose product means loose quantities. Okay, this one. Now here we are working with ECC and EWM both environments. ECC and EWM both environments. If you see packaging material, if we are working with ECC and EWM both environment, the first rule is packaging materials should be in both systems. The first rule, packaging material. As of now, product is there. We are creating the products and distributing into the EWM. We have that one. Now, for this handling unit, we are dealing with the packaging material. The first rule is packaging material should be in both systems. The next rule, ID number, unique identification number, ID number. Okay, if we create the handling unit in ECC system along with the inbound delivery or whatever it may be, if we create the handling unit in ECC system, that is internal number in ECC. Internal number in ECC that should be identified by the EWM. That should be identified by the EWM. If I generate the handling unit in ECC, that should be identified by the EWM. Here ECC HU internal number, that should be identify the EWM as a external number. Why external means that is coming from the ECC. This is the second rule. Third rule, if I generate the handling unit in EWM, that is internal number here. That is internal number in EWM. That should be identified by the ECC as a external number. These are the rules. These are the rules. Okay, this should be. Packaging material should be in both systems. And number ranges. In ECC, we require internal number and external number. EWM also we require internal and external numbers. Okay, this thing. Now we configure in both systems. And to work with the handling units, we require packaging material type, packaging material type. To differentiate the type of packaging material type, packaging materials, say cotton box or pallet or Euro pallet, US pallet, or some other box, whatever it may be. And to group together packaging materials, we require packaging materials group. We require packaging materials group. These we need to have in both systems. In both systems. Okay, this thing. Now we create in ECC, then EWM. Go to the ECC system.
Sir, just I know this is not a relevant question, but please, if you can guide, sir, why HU management is better than SU management if we compare, which is in ECC? What makes this better?
Yeah, with my knowledge, I am trying to give the answer. Yeah, storage unit is not having the identification. Okay, unit identification, and handling unit management is the identification. Okay, and this thing. Coming to the EWM functionalities, this storage unit is completely replaced the handling unit management. And here a major advantage is in the EWM, we can store the handling units and loose products in a same storage type. But that is not possible in ECCWM, ECCWM functionality. Okay.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Storage unit is not having any identification number, but handling unit is the identification. Unique
So, sir,
identification is, yeah.
yeah, loose product cannot be in single on. What does it mean, sir?
Pardon?
We cannot store.
Yeah. Say coming to ECCWM at the storage type level, SU active one functionality is there. If we
Mm-hmm.
active that SU functionality, we can store the storage units only, not in the loose products. But coming to our EWM, we can store the handling units and the loose products in a same bin also. I will show you that function.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, sir. Go to the EWM IMG setup, ACM extended warehouse management, master data, define storage type, any of the storage type. If we see HU requirement, see here HU allowed but not a requirement, only HU requirement, only HU not allowed. Here three options are there. The first option by default it's blank, means HU allowed but not a requirement, means we can store the loose products as well as HU in that storage type. HU requirement means only HUs we can store here. HU not allowed, only loose products we can store here. But this functionality is not there. Only HU requirement, these two only there. SU active checkbox is there. If we can tick that SU active, only storage units you can keep here. But here in EWM, we have a additional functionality in the form of handling units. Okay, this thing. And that
Okay, sir.
storage unit is replacing with quantity classification here. Say for example, I don't want to go with the handling units, but I want to keep my products in the form of boxes or pallets. That is also possible in the form of quantity classification in the EWM. Okay, this thing.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah,
got it.
yeah. Now coming to the ECC, go to the IMG setup, logistic general, handling unit management, basics. Here we will use only two or three nodes itself. Define packaging material, define material group for the packaging, and external identification we use unique number range maintenance for HU identifications. Okay, this one. Coming to here and packaging material types. Packaging material types. Here three kind of packaging material types we are using. Main packaging material, auxiliary packaging materials, auxiliary packaging materials. Third one is the means of transport. Of transport. Main packaging material examples are cotton boxes, pallets. Auxiliary packaging material, okay, some bubble wrap, thermocols, etc. Sorry, echo is coming to duplicate. Okay, main packaging materials are cotton boxes and pallets, etc. Examples. Auxiliary packaging materials are thermocols, polythene covers, bubble wraps, etc. etc. Okay, if we purchase any refrigerator, they supply us a big cotton box for us. Okay, that cotton box, one packed cotton box. If we see that cotton box is a main packaging material, if remove that cotton box, we can find out four sides or six sides or five sides thermocol sheets. That is thermocol sheet is auxiliary packaging material, and bubble wrap is there. If we remove that thermocol, we can find out bubble wrap there. Bubble wrap also a auxiliary packaging material. If we observe what are the packaging materials we used for the freeze, one main packaging material cotton box, one two auxiliary packaging materials. One is thermocol and another one is the bubble wrap. Okay, the entire thing calling as a handling unit. But handling unit is at cotton box level only. We can see not the thermocol. We cannot find out any identification number or else bubble wrap also we cannot find out any unique identification number. Okay, coming to level wise there I can find out two levels. First one level is two auxiliary materials bubble wrap and thermocol. The second level is cotton box come from the inside. One product is packed like this one. That I can say that specification of packaging means packaging specification we are going to see in the further sessions. That one sec, hold on please. If we observe that refrigerator, we can find out two levels. First level, two auxiliary packaging material, the final level, second level, carton box. At that level, we generate the handling unit. That is one kind of the master data we are going to see further sessions, packaging specification. Okay. Now, coming to here, packaging material types, we dealt with the three. One is the main packaging material, second one is the auxiliary packaging material, third one is the means of transport. This means of transport we discussed during our transportation unit and yard management. At this moment, we proceed with these two main packaging materials and auxiliary packaging materials. Go to here, packaging materials basics. Define packaging material. Go to here. I am copying one of the standard one. Here, ACAR, cotton box. AIPL, cotton box. If we see here, we use packaging material category. We dealt with packaging, auxiliary and means of transport. Cotton box is a main packaging material, so I am selecting this. And number assignment, by default this we can use number range interval HU underscore VEKP, this one. Okay, this thing. And here some internal number ranges and external number ranges are there. First we can check and we proceed. Okay, as of now during this saving we can keep this as it is. Next one is I require one palette also. APAL palette. Okay, this thing. Next I require auxiliary packaging material also there. AAUX, auxiliary packaging material. One sec. We need to change the packaging material category is auxiliary packaging material. Okay, this thing. Now save it. If we see here, we maintain cotton box, auxiliary packaging material palette. Two main packaging materials and one auxiliary packaging material we have maintaining. This one. The same it would require to maintain in the EWM also. Okay, this thing. Now coming to here, define material group for packaging materials. Okay, just like our material groups. Material type is different, material group is different. Okay, this one. Say for example, different kind of uh, different materials which are belongs to different packaging material types clubbed together into packaging material groups. Okay, this thing. Define material group for packaging materials. Come to here. I am going with creating packaging material groups into two types. One is APAC, another one is AAUX, auxiliary. AIPL, pack, main packaging. AIPL, auxiliary group. This thing. Now define allowed packaging materials. Come to here, new entries, material group, APAC, APAK, packaging material types. Just now we create one carton box and same in the APAC, APAL, APAC, AAUX also. Please don't confuse here. See here, carton box, 5 inches carton box also part of I can use within this group, and 20 inches pallet also I can use this, and thermocol seals are the seat also I can use along with this packaging material group. This is also possible. Now AAUX, A cotton box, group this one, AAUX, APAL, AAUX, AUX. This also we can use. Say 30 inches cotton box, I want to use this group also, auxiliary, sometimes. Say for example, I don't want to generate the handling unit for that cotton box. I want to use the auxiliary for temporary. That is also possible, like I have maintained here. Okay, this thing. Next, coming to number range maintenance for HU identification. Small number ranges we can see, not very big. 01 is there up to 2500, only 350 is there. Internal number range, external is not ticked here, means internal number. 01 ECC 01 internal I want to use. Okay, EWM the same 01 as a external, please note. And external we require, here one is there, this is lengthy number. Here one CP is there. Okay, CP we can use. CP is external in ECC. In EWM the same CP is internal. See here differences, vice versa. 01 if I use as internal in ECC, that should be identify the EWM as a external number range. If I use internal CP, that should be identify the external number range. Okay, this thing. Now come to our packaging material groups. Packaging material type. Define packaging material type. Go to ACAR. Go to here. Internal number range 01. External CP. Next one, AUX is there, APAL is there, APAL. Go to here. Internal is 01, external is CP. This one. Next, AUX. 01 CP. Now, this much configuration is enough in ECC. Now go to the EWM. We need to set this. Go to EWM. Under cross processing setting, we have handling units, basics. Define packaging material types. The same we need to maintain. Go to here. Just copy any one of these. Open the ECC. ACAR. The same we need to use here. ACAR. Description is AAPL cotton box. Packaging material category only 3 here. There some additional one is there, but only 3: auxiliary, main packaging, means of transport. Okay. At this moment we proceed with these two. During the transportation unit and yard management we will further discuss about these things. Okay. Now here number range assignment. Here number range interval. Save it. Next one. A pal is there. A pal. A pal. APL pallet. Okay, that is also main packaging material. Next one
Sir,
is,
here packaging. Sir,
yeah,
one
please.
question. Packaging material type is nothing but packaging material only.
No, 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 no,
What is
no,
that
no. Packaging material type
type?
differentiate the what type of packaging material. Packaging
That is
material type.
category. That is category, you can say.
Yes.
Packaging material. We have three type of categories.
Yep. Here within this
What is main
pallet,
type?
within the pallets, packaging material type is the pallet. Okay. 15-inch pallet, wooden pallet, metal pallet, 25-inch pallet, 35-inch pallet, 35-inch wooden pallet, 35-inch plastic pallet. These are there. Those are the materials. These are the pallet. Okay. Type.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Differentiation, sir.
In this
Yeah.
in this material type, we will have different types of packaging material like
Yes.
35 to
Yes.
20 like
Yes.
inches. Based
Exactly.
upon size, we
Yes.
can
Yes.
verify. Okay.
Exactly. Exactly. This
Okay.
material type or definition of the packaging material is differentiate the characteristics of the packaging material.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Next, auxiliary. Just like our material types are. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Auxiliary.
And whatever the material packaging material type we are maintaining ECC, that should be available in the EWM also.
Yes.
Same
Yes.
codes.
Yes. Why? Because the data, HU data is flowing between the two systems.
Okay, sure, sir.
AUX here. Number assignment. Here, number range interval. Okay. This thing. If we see here, we maintain AUX, auxiliary packaging material, cotton box, and pallet. Okay, these three we maintained. As like in ECC. As like in ECC. The same we have there. Same we have there. Okay. Now, defining packaging groups for products. Just now, material groups for packaging materials. The same represent here. Packaging groups for products. Come to here. New entries. There we maintain a pack. We open that. This one. These two. This way. Maintain allowed packaging material type or packaging group. Just now we have maintained in the ECC. The same thing we need to have. Okay, regarding maintain allowed packaging material types. New entries. group is APAK. Within this ACAR. One sec, I will open this in ACC. This one. This. This. Okay. APAC, ACAR, APAC, APAL, palette, AAPL, palette, APAC, auxiliary also, this is the group. Now, packaging material group, AAUX, A cotton box, A palette, this one. I have grouped. Now, coming to the number ranges here, go to the external identification, define number range for HU identification. Go to here. Coming to the EWM, these number ranges are at warehouse level. These number ranges are at warehouse level. What is our warehouse? AIPL. Okay, create. Now, go to ECC. 01 we are using as a internal here for our packaging material groups. Come to 01. Maintain this number range, complete number range. Number range. Here, external. See here, 01 is the internal, external tick mark is there, here external. Okay, next one. CP.
No, I guess you have copied from C9 instead of CP.
Oh, okay, sorry. CP. This is internal. That's what I am not ticking external checkbox. Okay, this one.
Sir, I have a question over here.
Yeah, please.
In the ECC, we see we already use some number range within the range, and here it's showing 0. There might be a confusion in the system, right? If you go to 01, here number range status is 0. That means there is nothing that is used. It's a fresh. But whereas in ECC, it is already used with 350 numbers.
Yes, exactly. That is internal number. Okay. If I means I am generating the number for the HU in ECC system, that should be next one is 351.
351.
That 351 falls within this range, right? Maybe I don't know. My ECC is connected to different EWM system also. Just here external that is identifying or not, that is our important. Okay.
Whatever the number created in ECC, that will be passed to EWM. So
EWM?
that will be taken and
Correct.
that will be used.
Correct.
Sir, these handling units are always internal numbers will be, or alphanumerical can be.
Alphanumerical also we can internal number we can use the alpha numericals. We can use that also. Yeah.
But
That
clients will be used generally numerical numbers only.
yes, numericals only they can use, but that is allowed.
Okay.
Alphanumerical also. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now I have maintained the number ranges. Then where I need to assign this? See here, one separate node. Unlike ECC, what we did in ECC, here define packaging material type itself, we are maintaining the number ranges. See here, here we are maintaining. But coming to the EWM, separate node is there. Assign number range intervals to packaging materials. Go to here, new entries, AIPL, packaging material types, A cart, here internal number range itself, here CP. External no need to maintain. Who knows? My EWM is connected to 3-4 ECCs. Okay. Whatever the we have flexibility here. EWM can be able to connect to multiple ECCs or multiple ERPs. So we cannot maintain this is only the external number. We cannot maintain this. So we maintain only internal number range. But please note that if our EWM is connected to different ECCs, those different ECCs internal number ranges should be maintained as a external here. In our case, only 1:1. That's why only one I have maintained. Okay, this thing. CP. Okay. Now this part over packaging materials. Yeah, as of now we are talking about packaging material, auxiliary, main packaging material, this only. Then where is the handling unit? Where is the handling unit? Now here we know handling unit is the packaging material plus product with the combination with the identification number, unique identification number. Okay. What kind of handling unit it is can represent by the handling unit type. What kind of handling unit? Say for example, some specific kind of handling units I want to carry through forklifts and specific kind of handling units I want to carry by resources manual. Say pallet is there. Pallet always we use forklift. Cotton box we cannot use the forklift. We can handle through hands only, manual. Okay. So what kind of handling unit means that can be differentiated by HU type. See here, define handling unit type. Here, go to here. I am maintaining, just have a look on documentation. HU types are used to describe the spatial appearance of the handling unit and thus to find out the optimum storage bins or to check whether a handling unit can be stored in a storage bin or else different. Just I have given handling purpose. Apart from that, storage also can define by the handling units. Okay, handling unit type differentiates what kind of handling unit that can be handled through or else that can be stored. Different these things. Here I am maintaining the handling unit. Go to new entries. Cotton box, if I can, we can get confused. Okay, cotton box and pallets. Okay, no, that is packaging material types. Okay, AHU1 handling unit type 1. AIPL handling unit type 01 cotton box plus pallet I am using, or else we can use only cotton box. Next one, AHU2 AIPL handling unit type 02 pallets. Already is there. AIH1 I am using, AIH2. Okay, these two kinds of handling unit types. One I can use for the cotton boxes, another one is this one, pallets. HU types, this one. Now, if you see at which level you are maintaining these HU types, which level? Any guess, sir? At which level you are maintaining this HU type?
Global level without a storage location.
Yes, exactly. Without
Without
warehouse. Yes,
warehouse level.
exactly. Global level, client level, these handling unit types. Then how to bring these handling unit types to warehouse level? See here, HU types are maintaining at global level. Global level means client level. How to assign these HU types to our warehouse? This one. One concept called HU type group. One concept called HU type groups. We maintain the HU type groups and bring the global HU type according to HU type groups at our warehouse level. Warehouse number level, we have HU type groups we maintain, and these HU type groups we assign to HU types. Means some one medium is required to use the HU types at our warehouse level. That is nothing but the HU type group. One medium, that medium is nothing but HU type group. HU type group. Okay, this thing. Now, where we can do? Define HU type groups. See here, these are the warehouse level. Go to new entries. AIPL my warehouse. HU type groups. AI H1 I am using. AIPL HU type GRP 01. AIPL zero two. Save it. Now, once after maintaining these HU type groups, along this HU type group, we need to bring global level HU types to our warehouse. Define HU types for each warehouse number and assign HU type group. Go to here, new entries. AIPL is my warehouse, and HU type is AIH1, and HU type group is AIH1. Go to next. This one. Now one is there, one button. Say come to the storage type. Some racks are there with me. Those are not iron racks, some delicate aluminum racks. There I want to keep only cotton box type handling unit types. Cotton box types. For that, we have one influence control parameter is there. Define, HU type check. This one, HU type check. Say one storage type, I want to specific HU types only. I need to say, one storage type is there, I can store only cotton box is there. In that case, we can flag this HU type check. If we flag this HU type check, it would require to maintain the define HU types for each storage type. What kind of HU types you want to store in the specific storage type. Here, if
But
we
in
pardon?
Abhishek, sir, in that case, it will be mandatory to use HU for that storage type, correct?
No. Here two things are there. HU required, but HU optional, but not required. But HU type check I have given means not mandatory. If you want to keep any HU, that should be checked by this HU type only. That is the meaning.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah. Here, this is the table to maintain the HU types against the storage types. Up to 30 handling unit types, we can maintain 30 handling unit types. We can maintain against a single storage type. 30. Okay. At this moment, I am not maintaining anything. Once after performing the checks, HU checks, we can maintain here. It seems almost configuration done. A simple test case we execute for the today. Tomorrow we will discuss further handling unit, nested handling units, and we play some different scenarios. Now we configured packaging material types, packaging material groups, maintain the number ranges, internal is external, external is internal, vice versa. And apart from that, in the EWM, we maintain the HU types and HU type groups, and global level HU types are brought up to warehouse number with reference to the HU type group. Now, packaging material plus product combination is a handling unit with an unique identification number. We don't have any packaging materials with us. Now we can create in ECC. Go to ECC MM01 AIPL CART1 cotton box industry sector, whatever you can do. Here material type should be packaging VARP. Go to here, maintain it. AIPL is our plant. AROD is this one. AIPL cotton box. Base unit of
So
measurement is
generally here cotton box sizes will be given different.
yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
project. Yeah, cotton box, 3 into 6 into 12, like this. They can maintain different cotton boxes. Yeah.
Okay.
Now go to ensure all the mandatory palettes. Also different palettes are there. Say extendable palettes, brackets extendable, and Euro palette, US palettes. Different palettes we have, sir.
Like plastic palette, wooden palette, and different.
Correct.
Like that, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Basic data, main data, we can go. Coming to sales general plant, this is not recorded here. Transportation.
Sir, description got changed, sir. Can you correct that?
Yeah, please. Thank you. AIPL cotton. Here, this is very important. This is our cotton box. Is a packaging material. What kind of packaging material type this one? Here we need to maintain. What kind of? Ours is A carton box. What kind of group it is there? Here A pack. A P A K. A pack. Just give the mandatory data. Enter. One carton box. Next. One pallet we can maintain. Default settings. Here packaging material is APAL, but group is pack, main pack. Okay, this thing. Now one auxiliary packaging material also we can maintain.
You
Thermocol.
are maintaining accounting view also, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, same.
Yeah.
Normal material.
Normal material. Thermocol. Thermo. Okay. See here. What is the packaging material group for thermocol? AAUX. Packaging material auxiliary AAUX. Thermocol. See here for this. Accounting one we can check. By default it is taking. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. V is there. Now we have three packaging materials with us. We distribute into the EWM. CFM1. HU01. Free text service I am using. Whatever it may be. Coming to here. Here. Select materials. AAPL cotton box. AAPL pallet. AAPL thermo. Execute it. CFM2. This is there. Now come to our EWM, extended warehouse management, master data, product, mat1, cotton. See, this is there. This is there. Okay. Now warehouse data not maintained for the packaging. Come to here, maintain. Come to packaging data. Here we need to maintain the HU type. What is the HU type is available? AIH1. 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 Cotton box. Next one, pallet. AIH2 pallets. For thermocol, I don't want to create any handling unit at this level, so I am not maintaining. Just view I am maintaining. Thermo. Create plus save. For this packaging material data, I am not maintaining. For those two, I have maintained. Now everything is ready. We come with a quick test case. Okay. VL31N. Some open purchase orders with us. Some one quantity. First, I am starting. See here, I am generating handling unit in ECC. Go to this pack button. Here, I am using cotton box to pack this. Press enter. See here, 3 series number it is generating. Select both, pack. Material was packed with the handling unit number. Save it. Shipping notification distributed to WMS 11240. Come to EWM. Delivery process. Inbound delivery. APL. This one. Go to, this is inbound delivery notification. HU level. See, 333. And one inbound delivery also created. Ensure hours. What is this? Okay. This is the inbound delivery. See here, handling unit. So 333. Internal number of ECC HU number is 333. That is identified by the EWM. Identified by the EWM here. That's what it is giving green symbol. And tomorrow I will show you the regression testing. Means I change the external number range here, and either the system is identified or not. I will show you. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for attending the session. Have a nice day. Bye.